Hey, welcome back to our channel. We will explore the wonderful of nature and share the tips and tricks for the creating beautiful indoor space. And today video will diving into world indoor gardening and providing you with valuable and rely in the how to bring the natural indoor. So let's get started. Introduction to indoor gardening. Indoor gardening allow to use the bring the beautiful and benefits of nature into homes. Even if we do not have a backyard or garden space, it not only fantastic and the aesthetic of our living space but also improves air quality and promote the essence for the climate and we will being choosing the right plants. The first step in creating indoor garden is selecting the right plant for your space. Consider factors such as a lighting, consider them temporary and your own personal performance. Some popular indoor plants include plots in the potex and the next plant and the spender plants. Accessing lighting requirement. Most indoor plants thrive in the bring in the indirect light. However, it's essential the understand the specific light requirement for your chosen plant. Some may perfect how light we will other through the direct sunlight adjusting the location of your plant according well their healthy growth. Providing adequate watering. Proper watering is calculated for the indoor plant or watering can lead to root root rot. Well underwatering can causes willing find a balance by checking the moisture level the soil watering accordingly. Remember, different plants have different water requirement, so this important research and understand their needs. Creating a suitable environment. Indoor plant there in specific environment minimize comfortable temporary and humidity level of the their well begin avoid the exploring them they expand them temporary fluctuation direct effect for the heating or cooling system. Choosing the right container. Select the container that provide a proper during for your plant. This provide water, glowing soil and root. Addingly, choose the container that match your decor style as they can add the overlay aesthetic appeal for your indoor garden.